Okay, Yoshi Fan 1251 here, and I got another Garage Show video for everyone in the Garage Show committee. LiftMaster openers, same as usual. Buttons, same as usual. Light still works. This one, light works. I still have not got the nylon rollers, but I put the sticker right here. You know what the sticker is, for your family safety and blah blah blah. And I put one above the buttons right here. This is a T-Rail trolley, isn't it? Isn't that a T-Rail trolley, Mike? Micro 222. Yes, it is. But anyways, I will. Oh, and I have not greased this thing yet, but it's still really noisy. But enough talk. I'll run this one for you. Very quiet opener. Sounds the same as SMS 373. Sounds the same as Sam Stores when he had those steel rollers. Run this down. See how close it's soft? On this one it jolts a little bit. Here, I'll show you. And this one, I think this one's probably the quietest. I'm gonna lay this down. See how it kind of like bumps a little bit, jolts a little bit. Anything else to do? LiftMaster's aim. Oh, I'll show you. I want to show you the back panel on that one. Get the ladder. Shut the light off. Push this button, light is off. Okay. I'll come up here. See, there's the LiftMaster logo. I moved the light a little too close. Here's the back panel of this opener. This was made in 1109. This is proof it's 315. And there's a line mess. Not really much line mess back here for some light bulb. Come on. There we go. Now I want to go to the front of the opener. Look, newer style lenses. I know no one likes these slits, but gotta have your stopper, extremely important. Okay, here you go. I'm not sure if you can read that or not. And this is proof that it is a belt drive T-Rail. Same thing, fluorescent light bulb. This is a 3280M, 6.0 amps, 60 hertz. It's one F was made 11/5/09, and nothing much up there in this here. Limits. LiftMaster Chamberlain Professional Formula 1. It's a belt drive opener. Let me put the ladder back. I'll put it over here. I'll just show you this one more time. Okay, I'm gonna close with the remote. I just gotta crap, the car's locked. Oh well, I can't turn the remote, so I'll just use the push button. The remote's the 373 LM. Oh wait. And my keypad. I'll close the door. Right, I'll do a safety sensor test. I'll put my foot by the sensor. And the light blinks 10 times. But if I put my foot by the sensor, I push this and hold it. And I let go. Goes back up. And the light blinks 10 times. Right. I'm gonna run this down. Alright, and that's it. And this is YellowSheepFan1251 signing out. Goodbye.